Dude, I'm about to pull up to Rather Be Welding's place. 2 minutes now. That's pretty exciting. I've been following this guy for so long, and it's like the reason that I got into building in the first place. I watched all of his machining videos and everything, and I was like, yeah, I figure I could do that. I'll buy a lathe and see what I got. And well, this is what I've got. You've seen the cross cart. So we're going out to some trails to ride our stuff. He's bringing the cart. The Grave Ninja is broken, unfortunately. I really want to ride that thing, but you know, it is what it is. I'm gonna try to get him in the cross cart though and get him to rip it up. All right, we're here. I just pulled up. He's getting loaded up, getting the trailer and truck connected. So I'm gonna go Willy Wonka this place. Check it out, dude. The thing already. Nice, 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 nice. We got projects in here. We got this shed. Dude, look, it's the actual shed. I wonder if these lights work. Yeah, that's okay. In the shed, dude, this guy's level of organization is insane to me. Everything's in a bin. All the bins go back when he's done. I don't know. I don't have that in me. Projects. My favorite thing in the world. God, I wish it wasn't broken. I would love to take this out. It sits so much higher up than I thought. Like, it's a lot bigger in person than it looks in videos. You'd probably sit in like the seat. The seat is like up to my waist. Like you're sitting all the way up here. I thought it was way lower. We got the wheelie machine. The VF1000, this thing is massive, way bigger than it looks, way bigger than it looks. And then, weirdly, that is way smaller than it looks in video. That's crazy. This is crazy. He's backing up now. I might, you know, help him. Oh, shoot. Got it.
The backup camera really makes it easy.
Dude, that's perfect. I need to get one of those. I usually have to do like a forward reverse number about 100 times. Yeah. This is awesome. Yo, check it out. We got walkie-talkies. Rather Be Driving. Come in.
Coming in. I can hear you.
Yeah. I had to stop here and check out how beautiful it is in North Carolina, or Tennessee, I guess now, but what is that? What is wrong with us? Good Lord. Kind of looks like my truck though, not gonna lie.
Number one, get rid of us. We should.
Dude, we made it all the way out here to this Doe Mountain, about 2.5 hour drive, and the guy at the front desk tells us that, man, I don't think you can ride the mountain here. Like, what? What are you talking about? Nah, man, you can't have no homemade vehicles out here. I call my boss, but I don't think so. So, what happened?
We got turned away.
We got turned away. Yeah.
2.5 hour drive.
They said something about homemade vehicles, something about it's too wide, and that's okay.
Which is kind of BS because I've taken the Grave Ninja and the VF1000 here.
Yeah. VF1000 is it's literally as wide as this truck right here.
And it fit,
and probably almost as long as it too.
Cause he was trying to say like, oh, the trails aren't big enough. No, I know those trails.
He said it's not big enough for passing, and then I looked in the parking lot, and I'm like, we're the only people here.
Yeah.
So, we're screwed. I'm still gonna try to figure out a way to ride, but I don't think it's gonna happen. You'll see though, if it happens in the rest of this video, we found a place to ride.
He did say something about, well, if somebody took something up here, what was that?
I don't know. Sounds like some weird, like, Chinese brand side-by-side or something. Doesn't it?
I wonder if it was me, because I took the Grave Ninja up there and it broke down.
No, it was something manufactured. It had a name.
Really?
Yeah. Good night.
So, screw Doe Mountain. Screw this place.
Yo, you Doe Mountain guys. I'm not a fan.
Make sure that strap is good so you don't launch into your truck. That would be funny.
We almost gave up, and you'll see that at the end, but we finally found a trail. The bad thing is though, there's like a serious climb to get up to the trail, and I'm sitting real low, but I'm gonna send it anyway and see if I can get up there. If not, we got the spider cart over there to ride around in, and I'll steal the dirt bike. How do you feel about this? Getting up here?
A little nervous.
Yeah.
Hopefully we don't have any issues because we don't have that much daylight. That's the one thing.
Yeah, we'll go up there, spin around a couple times, come back down. Oh my God, that thing's a monster. Whoa. Hell yeah, I'm excited now. You ready, Frederick?
I'm ready.
You getting in the car?
This thing out.
Yes, you have to. It's a different beast.
Let me get on this side. Yeah, mine's
Yours is a crawler, mine's a race car.
yeah, I'm probably gonna kill it a couple times, so just be aware of that.
I kill it a couple times every time I get into it, so it's not a big deal.
Yeah.
Just give her some hell.
I'll try not to crash it. And it's 1 back, 5 forward?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's gonna
So forward is forward.
get some getting used to.
Forward is forward, that's all. And you'll basically stay in first gear the whole time anyway.
Might as well buckle.
Really ride that clutch out and then give it some gear. Like you feel bad because you're about to burn the clutch up.
Dude, this thing's got like no... How do you find... There it is.
No travel to it?
No travel to it.
That's nice though for racing. You just slap it. Bing, bing, bing.
I like mine to have a lot of travel.
Yeah, but you're gonna be really ripping through gears on a racetrack.
Yeah.
There you go. Oh, he's gonna jump the ravine. Need to get him on a nice open straight. We're just messing around here in the back right now. Whoa, whoa, whoa! How'd that feel? Just some land. That's alright. Dude, I nailed some rocks way harder than that.
I think I'm in second. Feels second.
Yeah?
I was in first.
You're back? You're in first.
Alright.
I don't have the torque that you do.
Yeah.
You gotta get up in the rev range to have your power. Ah, come on. Rather be killing it.
That's my next name. This way?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm so used to the other way.
Negative the gas. It's not a good spot to play around in. Good Lord, dude. Take it easy on the jumps. I mean, she can handle it, but you're gonna be boofing your eyeballs with all that dirt.
Maybe I should put my goggles down. Or maybe I should stop before I break it. Let me do some donuts. That's better.
Hit it, man.
He doesn't feel comfortable up here, so he doesn't want to get into it too hard.
Dude, this thing is insane.
Yeah, it's a different beast, right?
Oh, it's a totally different world.
Yeah. You don't have that low, like I got in yours and I just blipped the throttle a little bit and it, whoa, it's like, it feels like it's about to do a wheelie. This, you got to get into the, you got to get into the rest.
You got to get in, you got to ride the clutch a little bit. It's, but it's a lot.
All right, so that's the end of the day. We're all loaded up, finally. Keep watching the video after this, though, because it's pretty funny. We were super disappointed.
Yeah.
Because we didn't have anywhere to ride, and then we found this place to ride. So it salvaged the day for sure. But seeing how pissed I was, it's going to be great.
Yeah, it definitely saved us because we were definitely...
we were beat.
We were down.
We were
down.
beat.
We were defeated.
Yeah.
Because we were like, where do we go? We were in that parking lot for like, what, 3 hours?
Yeah, 3
4
hours.
I got sunburned like a lobster.
Yeah.
So that'll be fun. Yeah. But,
That should blister nicely.
yeah. Somebody came through and told us about this place.
Mike came through, and he said he's watching this video.
Yes.
Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it. We made it out here. It was way farther than you said it was, though, but we made it.
We made it, yes. A little challenging finding this place, but we made it.
Absolutely. Well, dude, it was a pleasure coming down.
Awesome to meet you.
We spent what, 3 days together. That was
Yes.
that was really good time.
Yeah.
I'm so glad. Until next time, you know what I'm saying?
I'm doing the planning next time, though. That's for sure.
Hopefully next time you come over, I'll have some more projects that are running.
Yeah.
I need to get going with fixing projects and keep them repaired.
The Ninja.
Ninja. Need to fix
Grave
that next.
Ninja.
Grave Ninja.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fixing that and then never taking it off-road again because every time I do, it breaks down.
Until the next time he goes off-road.
Yes. Until I say, screw it, let's do it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's the end of the video. You guys know what to do. Keep coming back. I lied. It's not the end. Go watch the rest of it. Bye. Yeah, I'm tired. I got to do something cool. I can't just go home with nothing.
Make sure that strap is good so you don't launch into your truck. That would be funny. Oh.
Nice. I can't even do a good burnout.
This day sucks.
Yo, everything's going on sale now. Plans are going on sale. We gotta make money. I have to get my own property. That's the only place that I can, that's the only place I can do whatever I want. I mean, I just called 12 different racetracks and not a single one of them will let us come out today.
Yeah.
My track, though, fucking bring whatever you want. Bring whatever you want. I'm so tired of that, man.
Yeah. And I've been looking for property for like 3 years now, and I just can't afford anything around here.
I'm about to make him get shirts for sale, so he's gonna make some money. So
Yeah.
we're gonna figure something out. One of us is going to get a big piece of property. It's gonna be a racetrack, even if the property is just property.
Yeah.
I've been looking for that for a while.
Yeah.
And it's not gonna be in Indiana, because you guys in Indiana suck. Nobody's fun, dude, nobody. Probably Florida, honestly.
Yeah.
You'll see the Florida video, I loved it. But yeah, that's it. I don't know what else to say. I'm disappointed.
At least there was a little tire smoke.
I'm burnt out. It's been 2,500 miles still, and I still have to make it back to Indiana from where are we at? Tennessee?
Tennessee.
Yeah, so I'm gonna call it there. I got a lot of work to do when I get back. I gotta get the A-arms ready for the V2, all that stuff, but I gotta get out and get some good video. We're going to the racetrack, to the drag strip this weekend though, so I should be able to make my 100-mile-an-hour pass, see what I can do in the quarter. So that's it. I'm disappointed. I love you. Bye.
It did a burnout for a little bit.
Yeah.
You know, little tire smoke, little